The beauty and majesty of the Ozark Mountains in southern Missouri is undeniable. Today we will explore 5 amazing float trips in southern Missouri. Whether your preferred float is on a canoe, kayak, raft, inner tube, or whatever this guy's floating on, I know you will find the perfect paddling here in Missouri. Number 5, the Elk River. Our first stop is in the southwest corner of the state, a little town called Noel, Missouri, and home of the River Ranch Resort, where we camped on the Elk River and rented a very reasonably priced canoe. However, most prefer to tackle the Elk River with a large raft. Make no mistake, this is a party river, and the people watching is priceless. I saw it. All right, as you can see, absolutely gorgeous day. Gonna be out here all day. Number 4, the Current River. Next, we make our way to Van Buren, Missouri, where we checked into the family campground. No canoes here, it's only inner tubes and rafts, and it's first come, first serve. The Current River has many beautiful springs, including Big Spring, the largest gravity-fed spring in the state. One of the largest springs in the known world, and supposedly, according to Wikipedia, it pumps nearly 470 cubic feet of water per second, which seems like a lot. And if you are standing there in front of it, it is breathtaking. It is definitely a highlight of this trip. Number 3, Lake Taneycomo. While visiting Branson, don't miss one of the finest floats in the Ozarks. Lake Taneycomo can be a quite different experience from a traditional river float. Floating from the trout hatchery to the Branson landing is a great way to get away from the busy strip. For fantastic fishing and witnessing wonderful wildlife, Lake Taneycomo is hard to beat. You can rent here or check out my video, The Secrets of Lake Taneycomo, to see how I shuttle-free float. Go, paddle. He's right there. He's coming up over there. Look at this, friends. Right here on my favorite Eagle Island, there is the bald eagle. Number 2, the Niangua River. Next, we head up to Lebanon, Missouri. We took an overnight float with our own canoe using Adventure's Float Trip to shuttle our car from the Barkley access to the lead mine access, which gave us an amazing 17.5-mile river camping experience. If you're looking for a one-day float, NRO, Niangua River Oasis, could be just the ticket. We are set up for the night. Oops, this is a video. All right, wish us luck.
Yeah.
Before we reveal our number 1 pick, take a second to smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments about your favorite float trip. Number 1, the James River. The James River tops our list because it's so easy. If you want to shuttle yourself, HL Kerr access to Cox access only takes a few minutes by car. If you want to rent, the James River Outfitters will fix you up no problem. And if you need a shuttle for your own canoe or kayak, it's only $12 a person. James River Outfitters also has amazing riverfront campsites right at the takeout spot. All right, go ahead, Sam. You've got this. Bring it on down. Oh, it's so warm over here. This is where to swim over here. Oh, this water's like bath water right here. If one of these rivers piques your interest, check out the River Series playlist from Magician Word for more information.